Industry 4.0, often called the Fourth Industrial Revolution, marks a transformative era where cutting-edge technologies redefine manufacturing. With real-time data collection, manufacturers can monitor operations instantly, identifying machine issues before they escalate. Scheduled maintenance prevents costly breakdowns, saving time and resources. Advanced analytics reveal hidden patterns, predicting inventory needs, spotting top-performing products, and adapting to seasonal shifts. This ensures optimal resource use and faster decision-making. Software bots and automation streamline workflows, drastically reducing human intervention and labor costs while boosting efficiency. Integrating IoT with digital platforms transforms manufacturing, creating smarter systems that adapt quickly to real-time conditions and market demands. In today's competitive landscape, adopting Industry 4.0 is no longer optional. It separates innovators from laggards. The future is here, and it's reshaping the way businesses thrive. Ready to transform your operations?